That's it. Almost there. Now, presenting the magic-tastical, back-flipping rubber duck! Ha-ha! That spits fire! Daughter calling? Oh! Hey, Char. No, that's not good. Hey, bitch! No, just forgot. I've just been really busy, with, important things. Oh, no. No, Charlie, no. That's, no. My daughter wants to see me. Take that, depression. Oh, hey, whoa, Kiki. Oh, look how much you haven't grown. Still fun-sized.
No, I'm so sorry, Angel. I promise I won't ever.
Charlie.
Well, yeah, with Adam, he was an asshole. It's, very honest. Oh, nifty. Ah, he said he forgave me.
Spaceship pilot! That's my girlfriend! Lucy? Okay, your turn! X-Wolf 17! No! Easy there, buddy. Ow! Up we go! Best! Did you just slap me with that arm? I love doing anything. I was the pilot? That's awesome! I crashed and ruined everything. Spaceship pilot. Origin story.
Shoot the baby immediately.
That's not Go up, buttercups, because today you boys become men.
I don't know if this is working the way we hoped. Maybe we should...
Honey, you have to trust me here. I got this, okay? I'll figure something out. Try it, bitch.
Well, I don't trust him.
Okay.
Whatever you do not make a deal with him.
I'm sorry, what the fuck was that? Carmine! Carmine, we need to speak! I know what you did on Extermination Day! We can talk about it inside, or I can yell about it out here! It's not mean, exactly. It's, aggressive kindness.
'Cause you'll be with me.
In spirit, right?
In heaven.
Yay.